this desert in darkness, lying with a gun across his chest, pretending he's heartless. As the fire flashes in the sky, he was fragile and frozen when the bullet took away his friend. But now he's somehow more broken. He's pulling his weapon to his side, loading it full of his goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. He's pulling his weapon to his side, loading it full of his goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. Sweating and shaking, lying with her hands across her chest, she wakes with her cravings as the fire flashes in her eye. She was fragile and frozen when the needle took away her friend, but now she's somehow more broken. She's pulling her weapon to her side, holding it full of her goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. She's pulling her weapon to her side, loading it full of her goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. With every battle he's choosing, with every fight he's losing, his enemy's not far behind. With every promise she's broken, with every lie she's spoken, her enemy's not far behind. It's your time. It's your time. It's your time. It's your time. He's pulling his weapon to his side, loading it full of his goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. She's pulling her weapon to her side, loading it full of her goodbyes, holding an enemy across the line. With every battle he's choosing, with every fight he's losing, his enemy's not far behind. With every promise she's broken, with every lie she's spoken, her enemy's not far behind. Sometimes I need to remember just to breathe. Sometimes I need you to stay away from me. Sometimes I'm in disbelief, I didn't know. Somehow I need you to go. Don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. What you were changing me into, just giving myself back and don't stay. Forget our memories, forget our possibilities. Take all your faithlessness with you, just giving myself back and don't stay. Sometimes I feel like I trusted you too well. Sometimes I just feel like screaming at myself.